Are you tired of seeing your portfolio stagnant while the crypto market fluctuates? Are you ready to take your trading to the next level and start seeing real returns? Then you won't want to miss this video, where we'll be diving into the exciting world of crypto arbitrage. You'll learn how to identify and take advantage of price discrepancies across different exchanges and platforms, maximizing your profits and minimizing your risks. So, if you're ready to supercharge your trading game and start seeing serious returns, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, let's first define what crypto arbitrage trading is. Crypto arbitrage trading involves taking advantage of price differences between different exchanges or marketplaces to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, resulting in a profit. Now let's talk about how this works. Let's say the price of Bitcoin on exchange X is $10,000 and on exchange Y it is $10,500. A trader could buy Bitcoin on exchange X for $10,000 and immediately sell it on exchange Y for $10,500, resulting in a profit of $500. However, it's important to note that crypto arbitrage trading is not without its risks. One risk is the possibility of price changes before the trader is able to complete the buy and sell transaction. Another risk is the potential for trading fees on each exchange, which can eat into profits. One way to find arbitrage opportunities is by using arbitrage tracking websites or software that monitor price differences between exchanges. These tools can alert traders to potential profits, but it's important to keep in mind that they may not always be accurate and should be used as just one part of a larger trading strategy. Another way to take advantage of arbitrage opportunities is by using arbitrage bots, which are automated programs that can execute trades on behalf of the user. These bots can be useful for traders who don't have the time to constantly monitor the markets, but it's important to choose a reputable and reliable bot, as there are many scams in the space. It's also important to note that crypto arbitrage opportunities could not always exist because prices on several exchanges may fluctuate and ultimately converge. It's also worth noting that some countries have regulations in place that can affect crypto arbitrage trading. For example, some countries may have restrictions on the amount of cryptocurrency that can be bought or sold within a certain time frame. It's important to research and understand any potential regulations in your jurisdiction before trading. So, is crypto arbitrage trading right for you? That ultimately depends on your risk tolerance and trading experience. It can be a lucrative strategy, but it's important to thoroughly research and understand the risks before diving in. Do you have any personal experience with crypto arbitrage trading? We'd love to hear about it in the comments section below. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. We have more great content coming soon, so be sure to hit the notification bell to stay up to date.